This video we will talk about combinations. So look at the definition first. Suppose that the set A has n elements, then the number of choices to pick r elements from A is called combination. So what is the combination? You have a set of n elements, you want to pick r of them. So how many choices do you have? The answer is combination. So let's have another viewpoint. If A has n elements, then any subset of A containing r elements is called R combination. So the question is, how many subsets of A are whose length is R? Recall that in permutation, we have to do two tasks. Number one, first choose R elements from N and then arrange them on R different positions. So what was the formula? That is NPR, which is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. But in the combination, we have to only do the first task. We are not going to do the second task for the combination. We have to only do select r elements from n. We are not going to arrange them on r different positions. So we have to only choose r elements out of 8 in combination, and we are not interested to arrange them on r different positions. But we know the formula for permutation, in which we have done both works. Okay, we know how to calculate this thing. We know if we have r different positions, we have r different objects, how to arrange them on r different positions. We know the formula for permutation, RPR. What is this? That is R factorial. We will multiply this result of this with this and we will get a combination. Look how to do that. So number of ways to arrange R objects on R different positions is RPR. RPR, which is R factorial over R minus R factorial. That is R factorial over 0 factorial. You know 0 factorial is 1, which is R factorial. Now, for the permutation, we have this formula. So in order to get a combination formula from the permutation, we have to divide the number of ways to arrange R elements on R different positions, because we don't need this thing. Therefore, if we divide the number of ways to arrange R objects on R different positions to permutation NPR, then we get the formula for the combination. So combination, which is denoted by NCR, it is NPR over R factorial, because we are not interested in the arrangements of R objects on R different positions. Okay, what is the formula for this? It is n factorial over n minus r factorial, and this is r factorial. So this is the formula for the combination which we'll use in our upcoming example. So look at an example below. If there are 40 people for a job interview, find the number of choices such that 15 of them are to be selected for the job. Let's look how to solve. Since there are total number of people, total number of candidates are 40, number of candidates to be selected are 15. So in this example, he only asks to select 15 people out of 40. He didn't ask to arrange them as well properly. So we have to only select 15 out of 40. So we will use only the formula for the combination which we have studied above. So the number of choices are 40C 15. This is 40 factorial, 15 factorial, 40 minus 15 factorial. We will solve it. 40 factorial, 15 factorial, 25 factorial. After calculation, you will get its final answer. So in the next video, we will do some more complicated examples. So if you are interested to watch more examples related to combinations and permutations, then please stay with us and watch upcoming videos as well. Thank you.